Hi everyone. I received my gold and silver from the bullion dealers in Melbourne. They call it bullion now. They got some few good deals on Black Friday, so I'm so excited. I want to see what they got, and I give you some review about these guys. See if it's right bullion dealers for you or not. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just open it very carefully with knife. As I see, they actually wrap it really well, so they put it actually in the box, but still I see there is a bubble wrap around of the box, and looks it's a really nice package. They got it over here, so see what they done. So I like the way they just put the extra bubble bag here just for the protection. It's just normal box, so the little attention is good. I like about it. The way they wrap it is very nice. So I just put it the pause till I open the box, and we go from there. So what I like about these guys, again, everything in the order. Just to put in the nice wrapping. I will tell you later on what are those. They put in the nice box, and it was very hard to open it. I ordered, I think, 2 ounces of the low premium gold. I ordered 2 kilo of low premium silver. I got some coins here. That's 2 low premium gold as well. One is, I ordered low premium, so there's no guarantee really they give me anything like brand, but I got one AGD and one ABC. So like it is a good brand in my opinion. I pay a bit less as be like the mint, but it's good. I can't complain much. So we go from there, see what else they got for me. So well, that's it. I got 2 kilo of silver. I paid as low premium silver, so I just save some money. That's very good. So it's not like the nasty silver bar. Both of them are very nice, heavy. So they got the serial number. Again, they got the certificate. I bought from another dealer in Brisbane. Just nothing like that. Then I got these 2 ounces of the gold here. This one I won it in Black Friday deal, so that's a very nice coin. 1 ounce is a mouse 2020, and guess what, I got it at the spot price. Such a win. They had again another deal in Black Friday, and they just give away for 10 ounces of the silver. They are brand new, the mint, at low premium cost. So if I knew that would come, I wouldn't buy those bar. It's very nice. And I got those as well. It's been on the Black Friday as well. It's just a junk coin, and I got it at silver spot price, so not bad. I'm happy with that. The way they just wrap it was very nice. As you see, they wrap everything very very tight. It wasn't like the lousy job, and just delivered like I think I ordered it pretty much on my ordering finished on Monday, and today is on Friday. I received it. They come with the express post, just to stay a bit on Melbourne, but all good. So I enjoy with them. So if you want to use them, just make sure you do your research, and I wouldn't hesitate to refer them to you guys. Good luck with that. Thank you. Bye.